Here's my latest stepper encoder driver, and it's a kit. I bought it many years ago and never put it together. And I assembled it recently because I've been experimenting with some motors and decided that I wanted to have a use for it. It's called a DIY Kit 94. Comes with a pretty complete instructions and a good schematic. And what it does is it has a rotary encoder on it, and it turns the stepper motor one step per increment on the encoder, or it goes both ways. So what you could use that for, you could use it as like a power steering. It's totally proportional, and if you want one click one way, you can go one click one way, or you can just spin it a lot. I imagine that there's ways to multiply it, but just to test out stepper motors, it seems to work just fine.